Would you like some Waffle House? You hungry? I got a double waffle pecan. It's still hot, but let me grab my sunscreen out of here. They're good. They're good. You're going to like them. Enjoy. Have a good breakfast. I got butter all over my hand like a psycho. So I gotta wash my hand and dry it off quick. Hey guys. What's up? What's up, Jasper? Thanks for hitting that like button.
Jesus. What?
His Lord.
Now, when you said butter, I didn't think the whole.
Hey.
The whole.
Are you a butter fan?
I am, but not like this.
I'm a butter air conditioner. Not even a fan anymore.
I see.
What's up?
That one got milk good. Oh, that damn why I feel like today's Sunday.
Awfully late for a waffle? I know Antonio Mathis. Actually, I don't. Excuse me, I'm just gonna grab some chocolate chips.
That's good. Even I didn't give him some tickets. Well, I think something happened that time. We didn't begin well. Because we don't know me. I don't know me well. That's why.
You're not a big chocolate person? What?
He said, this is their own enemy. The thing they made, I don't even know. That's for me. I work with everybody. I keep everybody fall. Like you now. Trying to make sure everything is paid. Okay, don't keep it out. Okay, awesome. We'll give you 50 cents. Yeah, you think okay, thank you. So, see, I don't care who you are. If I'm here, and I say something bad, I know it's not wrong. If someone says it's not too bad, like, you that day, you were saying, I don't disturb my waffle now. It's my... Which one? The one on the left is mine.
You wonderful people. Good night, good night, good night.
Good night.
Please stop me.
If somebody asks you if you wanted chocolate or strawberry milk, you would 100% go for strawberry milk. You're weird. Strawberry milk? You are loco. Hey foodies, we will be live at Sugi's Chocolate Factory tonight in just a couple moments. You'd go for a chocolate waffle? I love you for watching. Email me at ChocolateSugi.com and Cash App $ChocolateSugi. When you guys Cash App $ChocolateSugi, send a gift to Super Chat. It goes to our Foodie Foundation. It helps feed the homeless. I love you. I love you. I love you. Where am I going? I'm going home. We're going to eat our waffle.